Your dream has been realized with this 2010 Ford Explorer. Your search stops here with this ideal auto. This ride is like new and will go the distance with low mileage under the hood. A Carfax report can help you check for costly hidden problems. Buy with confidence. This car qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Fumble your keys no more with the convenience of keyless entry. Set it and forget it with the fuel-efficient cruise control. The luxury of an adjustable steering wheel adds driving comfort. Lock and unlock doors with the click of a button with power doors. And this vehicle comes with a great list of added features that take your driving experience to the next level. Check out our website for more information, then make an appointment today.